Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 1989 Ford Mustang. This is going to be selling at no reserve, so you guys get to bid to win. If you guys want to find out full details on this ride, click on the link below. It's going to have underside shots, a complete description, and options for transport and even financing if you want to do that. Just make sure you have good credit. We're going to do a complete walk around now, take it for a test drive, and if you guys like this content, click on the link below and subscribe. Thanks again. All right, let's go over the overall condition. I'd rate this a 6 out of 10. It shows well, but it does have minor imperfections. It has had paint work, so you can see paint work on the plastic fillers here, on the bumper, and in the trunk. Top is original. Headlights have been replaced. Wheels are the Pony 5 spokes. They are showing a little bit of age, and it does have blue striping throughout. Interior has been redone, and it looks very nice. Steering wheel's in great shape, showing 43,000 miles on the odometer, and it's a 5-speed. Power top, glass in the rear, deck lid's been repainted as well. Tires have about 90% tread left, and they are from, let's see, 2015. So it's a GT model, so it has the GT style taillights. Minor imperfections throughout. That's why we gave it that 6 out of 10 rating. So you have small scratches here, small dimples throughout the doors, and the plastic does have imperfections. We're just telling you this because we're honest in regards to our sales. When you open up the doors are very nice. See, all the metal looks good. And you guys can look at the gallery to see underneath shots. So there is a patch panel on one side. I don't know if it's a passenger or driver's side, but you'll see that in the gallery. Dash is very nice, and take a look at those seats. While he's looking at the interior, I'm going to open up the hood and show you the 5-liter. So it produces 225 horsepower, and we'll test that out today. Engine bay is very clean. They painted the intake manifold. AC compressor looks upgraded as well. Master cylinder looks upgraded. You have a die-hard battery, and it looks like new struts throughout. Original insulation pad, Ford Motorsport wires, newer belt. It's like really clean engine bay. I'm going to close the passenger side and then show you how the top works. So these tops are super simple. You just release the little levers here. So it's a little lever right here. Again, on the other side. It's a beautiful day here in Florida, so we may as well put it down and take it for a test drive, but this is to showcase how it works. Starting it up. Starts up easily, sounds really good. Here goes the top, quick top. Your rear windows work. Passenger and driver's side window work, and they have tint on them along with a nice little tint strip here. Dash is clean.
So you ordered a new air.
Radio works. Mirror's in nice shape. It has a little bit of oxidation. You can replace that easily. Rear seats are great, and this would be the factory style seat, and then these are replacement covers. These gray covers. Jump in it, we'll take it for a ride. All right, we're gonna take it for a test drive so you can decide if you want to put this Mustang in your driveway. Clutch feels good. Transmission doesn't pop out. You do have a tilt column, which is nice. Seats are very comfortable, a lot of support in the rear. Still has the stock gears. What wakes these cars up big time is a set of 355s or 373s. That just makes this car a completely different vehicle in regards to performance. Suspension feels good. Downshifts are easy. you guys want to see some of the other inventory we have, so we have a total of 8 Fox bodies in stock right now. Just go to our website at bulletmotorsports.com. You can see everything from GTs to notches to hatchbacks and even convertibles like this one. Feels good.
That felt great.
I love the exhaust note on this car. I don't know which exhaust it is. We'll have to find out, or you can click on the link below and you'll see the actual exhaust. It sounds like Flowmasters, but listen to a downshift. The steering's actually tight. It's not loose. And you're hearing that airplane right there. So we're 5 minutes from the Fort Lauderdale airport. If you want to fly in and drive it home, you'd have no issues doing that. As I said, it's a 6 out of 10 just because of the overall body condition. Just there's some scratches, the little patch panel underneath it, but we're just disclosing everything so you guys can make a good decision on what you're buying. We purchased this from a father and son team. So the father bought this and his son was younger and they started to restore it, and then they lost interest, and then that's how we were able to get it. Here's second gear. Not bad. It's hot here in Florida today. It's, I believe it's 88 degrees with a high UV heat index. So that's why I have my beautiful glasses on. Felix, you should have wore yours.
I'm trying to get a tan.
All right, you ready to test her out?
Let's do it.
Not bad, chirped into third. And if you guys think that we're beating the car up, we are, because I'd rather have it brake here than brake in your driveway. Corners are easy. Not bad. Let's get some outside shots for you. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Have a great day.